Ayan. So, once again, thank you for watching and continuous subscription of our YouTube channel. So, this is the last part of the legal basis for professional teachers. Again, shout out pala sa mga nanonood, si Jipoy Diala from Manila, and for Glenn Vasquez in General Santos City. Now, let's discuss Article 11, the teacher as a person. Section 1 of Article 11, it is the highest obligation to live with dignity in all places at all times. Please take note, it's our highest obligation to live with dignity as teachers. Section 2, self-respect and self-discipline as the principles of personal behavior in all relationship with others and in all situations. So there should be a self-respect and self-discipline towards other teachers. What else? Section 3, maintain at all times a dignified personality which could serve as a model worthy of emulation by learners, peers, and all others. So there should be maintaining at all times a dignified personality. So ganun kahirap maging teacher. Section 4, always recognize the Almighty God as guide of his own destiny and of the destinies of man and nation. Now let's proceed with Article 12, the disciplinary action. So parang this is more sensitive ideas. Section 1 of Article 12 states that any violations of any provision of this code shall be sufficient ground for the imposition against the erring teacher of the disciplinary action consisting of revocation of his certification of registration and license as a professional teacher. So sa lahat-lahat ng mga nabanggit kanina article, so this is a summary kapag hindi natin sinunod lahat. Suspension from the practice of teaching profession or reprimand or cancellation of this temporary or special permits under causes specified in Section 23, Article 3 or Republic Act number 7836 and under Rule 31 Article 8 of the Rules and Regulations implementing Republic Act 7836. So si teacher pwede pala matanggal if series of investigation at marami tayong nalabag. Article 13, Effectivity. Section 1, this code shall take effect upon approval by the Professional Regulation Commissions and after 60 days following its publication in the official gazette or any newspaper of general circulation whichever is earlier. So yan siya. Thank you so much for listening. In addition, I would like you to give this anong tawag niyan? Acronym CAFE. C stands for communication, A for acknowledgement, F for feedback, and E for encouragement. So observation without judgment is the highest form of intelligence. What else? For some references, here is our references. So thank you again. Please continue to subscribe the YouTube channel, Secretary Marky. Bye bye and keep safe everyone.